Coconut oil for your hair. Coconut oil can improve the health and condition of your hair. Coconut oil has many benefits for hair. It is used to relieve dandruff, restore luster to dry and damaged hair. It is safe to use on most hair. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that can improve hair health. You can also use coconut oil straight from the jar in the kitchen. As a pre-wash treatment or conditioning mask. I hope this information is helpful for you about coconut oil. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.